Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to do a blackboard. It's very easy. I'm taking a pad. I have took all the skin of it. I have removed all the skin. For me this is broken. If I want I will be cutting this also, but now I'm not in the mood of cutting this. So today what I'm thinking to do is blackboard. So for that materials, powder, paper, a glue, water, any kind of water, it is okay. This is ash of the paper. From this paper I have took matchbox, this painting brush, chalk piece, and this one. So first, if you have doubt on your pad, means this one, exam pad, take a chalk piece and try to write. Okay, so first I will write please. For me it is, I can say that for me this is okay. So now some people even don't know that how to do duster. I will be showing you duster afterwards in my next video. So now I will show you how to do a blackboard. After I have took the skin of this. So now the paper ash, I have burnt this from the matchbox and I have took the ash of it little. So first, then after taking this, then take little bit glue and little bit add it in this. Add it in the ash. While doing anything, do it on the pad, because while taking this and doing anything, the house will get so much of smell also, so be careful. Now I will be adding little bit glue on this. So I have added little bit of glue. Can you see here? Yeah. Now I have added little bit of glue and I will add little bit of powder also. Before adding powder, I will take 1 drop or 2 drops of water. I will take from the paintbrush, because maybe if I would do, I would have added more water, or take a spoon. I will take a spoon and I will do. I have added little bit of water and I will be mixing it. Just a minute. Now I will be adding little bit of powder. First add it in your hand. So I have added little bit. Now I will be checking on my pad. I am getting grey color now, and if I want I would be adding others sometime ash also. I have added too much of water and glue, so I will be adding little more of ash. I have added little bit ash in this. It is little bit hot for me. I have made it a mixture. Now I am painting my pad. After completing painting, I will show you. Hello people, for me little bit over the paint. So again I am taking the ash. I am just showing you how to take the ash. I have stuck little bit. I had left it on the pad. While doing this, please close your nose. I have painted it little. It is little bit to get dry. Means it needed to get dry. And if I see any poles like this, and I will be painting it. Otherwise I will be leaving like this, because if you want to blackboard I said, so I have collected it in black. And another thing is, you can color your favorite color. And another thing is, if you want, you don't need to also color. You can just write off like this, anything like that. Okay. So until this dry, I will be setting all the things to do the next. So friends, I am going to share one important news. Before doing anything, I will just share a news that if you want a fine polishing fully, then take a sponge and you can fully polish it very neatly and all. But I don't want that polishing. I will be doing as I am doing with the paint. I have did with the ash, and then I have did the covering with my paint. So I don't have any watery type. So I will be taking that ash thingy, or I will be taking a food coloring, because ash thingy again and again if we do, our house will get fully like bad smell of paper. So I will be taking little bit coal, and I will take a little bit food coloring or something, and I will be sharing that news soon in this video only. So yeah, for me all is dried. For me like this little it is there. I need to do polishing, but I'm not doing. As for me, polishing paint is not there. Means normally paint is not there. So now I will, means for me papers are over. So now I will be testing. So I wanted to say you one thing. Please be careful while doing anything. Please comment me if you want me to make anything, and please like and subscribe to Little More Fun.